Daddy! Let's go! What are we waiting for?
Leo, it is 6:45 in the morning.
The water park opens at 9. We need to be first in the queue.
Why is he already in his swimming shorts?
Because I am prepared, Mia. Do you know what prepared means?
Go away, Leo.
It means ready in advance. I am prepared. You are not prepared. I will be in the water before you even find your swimsuit.
Leo, have breakfast first, then we go.
Can I eat in my swimming shorts?
Yes, Leo, you can eat in your swimming shorts.
Excellent. I am already winning today.
It is not a competition, Leo.
Everything is a competition, Mia. The sooner you learn that.
Leo, eat your breakfast.
Yes, Daddy. Daddy, this slide is called the tornado. You go in a big ring, round and round inside a funnel, then drop down.
Sounds fun.
Yes, fun. Definitely fun. Not scary at all.
You don't have to go on the big ones, Leo.
I want to go on the big ones. I am just doing research first.
That one is very fast.
How fast do you think?
Very fast.
Good. I like fast. Very good. Daddy,
Yes?
the tornado, it goes upside down at one point.
Does it?
I think so. For a second.
Are you still doing it?
Yes.
Good man.
I am facing my fear. Like the lion, I am facing my fear. Daddy, I can see them, the big slides, from here.
Yes. Impressive, aren't they?
That blue one goes almost vertical.
Vertical means straight down.
I know what vertical means, Mummy. Straight down. Yes.
Still want to go on it?
Yes. Daddy, that sign. Height restriction. Minimum 1.2 meters for all large slides.
Yes. You need to be at least 1.2 meters tall to go on the big slides.
I am 1.22 meters. The doctor said.
Yes, you just qualify.
I just qualify. That means I can go.
Yes.
No running on wet surfaces. Why?
Because wet floors are slippery. You can fall and hurt yourself.
Slip and fall. Understood. I will walk. Fast walking, but walking.
Just normal walking, Leo.
No diving in shallow water. What is shallow?
Shallow means not deep, the opposite of deep.
So the water is not very deep there. If you dive, you hit the bottom?
Yes, very dangerous.
Please shower before entering the pools.
That is a hygiene rule. You shower to clean yourself before going in the shared water.
So everyone is clean in the pool?
That is the idea.
But what about people who don't read the sign?
Leo,
I am just saying, not everyone reads signs. I read signs, but not everyone.
Leo, go and get changed.
put your bag inside. Close the door. Then press this button to lock it. It gives you a wristband key.
The wristband is the key?
Yes, it has a small chip inside. You tap it on the locker to open it again.
It opened! Opened again!
Leo, we need to go.
One more time. Amazing! Technology is wonderful.
Come on.
Mummy, it is enormous.
Yes. Water parks are very big.
There are so many pools and slides. And that area with the big bucket, what is that?
That is a tipping bucket or dump bucket. It fills up with water slowly. Then, when it is full, it tips and dumps all the water on everyone below.
How much water?
500 liters.
500 liters all at once?
Yes. Are you going under it?
Yes, but after the slides. Okay, there are 4 big slides. The blue bullet, fast straight slide. The tornado, funnel slide with ring. The twister, long curving slide. The free fall, vertical drop. I am going on the twister first.
I am going on the twister with Mia.
I am going on the twister first, then the blue bullet, then the tornado, then the free fall.
Saving the scariest for last?
I am building up courage in stages. It is a strategy.
Smart.
Also, I am slightly terrified of the free fall,
I know.
but I am doing it.
I know that too.
Daddy, why is there a queue?
Because many people want to go on the slide. You wait your turn.
How long is the wait?
That sign says, approximate wait time from this point, 15 minutes.
Approximate. What does approximate mean?
Approximate means not exact. About 15 minutes. Maybe a little more, maybe a little less.
So not exactly 15 minutes?
Probably around 15 minutes.
There are about 20 people in front of us. Each person takes about 30 seconds on the slide. So 20 times 30 seconds is 600 seconds, which is 10 minutes.
Very good maths.
So the sign says 15, but I calculate 10.
The sign includes the time to climb the stairs.
Ah, fair enough. The sign is correct. They all look happy. Nobody looks hurt.
Of course nobody is hurt. It is perfectly safe.
I know. I am just collecting data.
What data?
Happy faces, 12. Scared faces, 2. Neutral faces, 3. Are you actually counting? 12 happy, 2 scared, 3 neutral. 71% happy. Those are good statistics. Where did he learn the word statistics?
I have no idea.
Okay, one at a time. Sit down, cross your arms over your chest, cross your ankles, and push off when I say go.
Like this?
Perfect. Ready?
How do I say, I am ready even though I am scared?
You say, I am ready, let's do this.
I am ready. Let's do this.
Go.
Whoa! That was incredible! Daddy, that was incredible!
Leo, how was it?
Mom, I went so fast. The corners, the curves. I couldn't stop smiling. My cheeks hurt from smiling. That was actually really good. Right? Daddy, again?
After the other slides, come on.
This one is straight down. No curves, just fast.
Lie on your back, arms crossed, feet first. Go when the light turns green.
This is more intense than the twister. That was... I don't have a word.
Well,
I need to go again.
after the tornado and free fall.
Right. Those. Yes.
Two riders. Sit facing each other in the ring. Hold the handles. Keep feet inside at all times.
Daddy, I am glad you are coming with me.
Of course. You okay?
I am okay. Does it really go upside down?
I don't think so. That was just the angle of the video.
Oh, good. I was worried about that.
Ready? Go.
Ah! Round and round! Daddy, I'm spinning! Round and round! Whoa!
Leo, you okay?
The world is still spinning a little.
That is normal.
That was brilliant! I was going round and round like a... What goes round and round?
A washing machine?
Yes! I was a human washing machine, and I loved it. It is almost vertical, Daddy. Look at it.
Yes, it is very steep.
Steep. That means nearly straight down?
Yes, a steep slope goes down sharply.
They went so fast. In about 2 seconds, they were at the bottom.
You don't have to do this one, Leo.
I want to. I am scared, but I want to.
That is the bravest thing a person can say.
Will you wait at the bottom?
I will be right there.
Okay, I am going.
Arms crossed. Feet together. Look straight ahead, not down.
Okay, not looking down. Oh, that is very far.
Look straight ahead.
Straight ahead, yes. How many seconds does it take?
About 3 seconds.
3 seconds. I can do 3 seconds. 3 seconds is nothing. 1, 2, 3. See? That was nothing.
Ready?
I am Leo. I face the lion. I jump the waves. I can do 3 seconds.
Go!
Yes! I did it! I did it! I did the free fall!
Well done, Leo.
I did it! Excuse me, I just did the free fall.
Well done!
I just did the free fall.
Good for you!
Leo, you don't need to tell everyone.
Hello, I just did the free fall. First time. I was scared, but I did it.
Amazing! Good job!
He is going to tell every single person here.
Let him.
It is getting full. Look, it is tipping slightly. Nearly there. Nearly. Everyone get ready. It is so cold. It is so heavy. It is like the sea all at once. Again, I want to go again. Today I did 4 slides. The twister, the blue bullet, the tornado, and the free fall. You did well on the free fall. I was watching. Were you? Your legs were shaking at the top. They were not. But you still did it. That was brave. Thank you, Mia. Daddy, Mia said I was brave.
I heard.
Good day.
Very good day.
Daddy, how do you say it when you are scared but you do something anyway and then you are proud?
You say, I faced my fear and I am proud of myself.
I faced my fear and I am proud of myself.
You should be.
Daddy, next time, can we come back?
Next time.
And can I go on the free fall first? Not last?
Next time. Why first?
Because now I know I can do it, so I don't need to be scared anymore.
That is exactly right, Leo.
I know. I am very wise for 7 years old. You are extremely annoying for 7 years old. Both things can be true, Mia. Both things can be true. Hello, friends. Today was the most exciting day of my life. I was scared, very scared, but I did everything, and I learned that being scared is okay. Doing it anyway, that is brave. Today I learned these important phrases. Say them with me. I am nervous, but I am facing my fear. I am ready. Let's do this. That was incredible. I faced my fear and I am proud of myself. Shall we go again? Now your turn. Write in the comments, are you brave? What is something scary that you did anyway? Tell me below. I want to know. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.